Stay tuned for more interesting and entertaining content on our Shorts and Sweet channel. Subscriptions and likes are a great way to help us create better content. Once upon a time, there was a mountain pass where it was said that if you fell over it, you would live only 3 years. One day, a stooped old man was walking carefully over the pass, when he heard a rustle in the bushes. Startled, he stumbled over a stone and fell. "Oh no, I'll only live 3 years," hit the ground and wept. Time passed and it was now the 3rd year. "Darling, it's only a matter of days before I die," he thought, as he fell to the ground. "Don't say that. The doctor will be here soon." Doctor did come, the most famous doctor in town. The doctor touched the grandfather's stomach and looked into his eyes and mouth. "I'm sorry, I have no idea what's wrong with you." Next day, the young grandson came to visit his grandfather and asked, "How did you get sick?" The grandfather said, "I fell off a mountain pass 3 years ago. I don't have much time left to live, and I have no strength in my body." The grandson said, "If you fall once, it's 3 years. If you fall twice, it's 6 years. If you fall 3 times, it's 9 years." "That's right," said the old man, and he ran straight to the 3-year pass. Then he began to roll. 3 years at a time, 30 years at 10. The more you fall, the longer you live, so let's roll. The grandfather kept rolling. "Wow, are you okay?" "I'm fine. I feel like I'm flying." "You'll live for 300 years. 300 years? Ha ha." After that, the 3-year pass was never quiet. When the villagers heard the news, they all rolled into the 3-year pass. The terrifying legendary 3-year pass has been a longevity pass ever since. The grandfather, who had fallen into a deep illness due to his short-term thinking about the 3-year pass legend, was quickly cured by his clever grandson, who changed his perception from a scary legend to a good one that would allow him to live a long life. A short positive change in thinking can have a completely opposite good outcome. Thinking positive thoughts on a daily basis can also lead to good results.